Partnership Accounts Part 1 Definition, Rights, Duties and Liabilities of Partners. Dear students, today let us learn all about partnership accounts. Definition, rules of determining existence of partnership, rights and duties of partnership, general conduct of business, mutual rights and liabilities between partners, property of the firm, and personal profits earned by the partners. So far, we came across the sole trading business where a single person handles the business with his own skills, knowledge, and expertise within his limited value and volume of the business. However, the expansion of business might necessitate combination of money, skill, energy, and experience, and thus two or more persons may join hands with a view to carry on business together and share the profits derived therefrom. This is known as partnership. Definition. The Indian Partnership Act 1932 defines a partnership as the relation between persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. Persons who have entered into partnership with one another are called individually partners and collectively a firm, and the nature under which their business is carried on is called the firm name. From the above definition, it is clear that the following are the essentials which must exist in order to constitute a partnership, namely 1. There must be an agreement between all the persons concerned. 2. There must be a business, and for this purpose the word business would include any trade, profession or occupation. 3. It must be carried on by some or all of the partners for the benefit of all of them, and that 4. It must be carried on for the purpose of earning profits which would be divided among the partners. Rules for determining existence of partnership. Sharing of profits, although an important element in every partnership, is by no means a conclusive evidence to make the person in receipt of such a share a partner in the business. In determining whether a person is or is not a partner in the firm, regard shall be had to the real relation between the parties as shown by all relevant facts taken together. The sharing of profits or gross returns arising from property by persons holding a joint or common interest in that property does not of itself make such persons partners. The receipt by a person of a share of the profits of a business or of a payment contingent upon the earning of profits or varying with the profits earned by a business does not of itself make him a partner with the persons carrying on the business, and in particular the receipt of such a share. A. By a lender of money to persons engaged in any business. B. By a servant or agent as remuneration. C. By the widow or child of a deceased partner as annuity, or by a previous owner of the business as consideration for the sale of the goodwill or share thereof, does not itself make the receiver a partner with the persons carrying on the business. General duties of a partner. Partners are bound to carry on business of the firm to the greatest common advantage, to be just and faithful to each other, and to render the true accounts and full information of all the things affecting the firm to any partner or his legal representative. Determination of rights and duties of partners. The mutual rights and duties of the partners of a firm may be determined by contract between the partners, and such contract may be expressed or may be implied by a course of dealing. Such contract may be varied by consent of all the partners, and such consent may be expressed or may be implied by a course of dealing. General conduct of the business. Subject to any agreement between the parties, every partner has a right to take part in the conduct of the business. B. Every partner is bound to attend diligently to his duties in the conduct of the business. Any difference arising as to ordinary matters connected with the business may be decided by a majority of the partners, but no change may be made in the nature of the business without the consent of all the partners, and D. Every partner has a right to have access to and to inspect and copy any of the books of the firm. Mutual rights and liabilities of partners. Subject to any agreement between the partners, a partner is not entitled to receive remuneration for taking part in the conduct of the business. All partners are entitled to share equally in the profits earned and shall contribute equally to the losses sustained by the firm. Where a partner is entitled to interest on capital subscribed by him, such interest shall be payable only out of profits. A partner making for the purposes of business any payment or advance beyond the amount of the capital he has agreed to subscribe is entitled to interest thereon at the rate of 6% per annum. The firm shall indemnify a partner in respect of payments made and liabilities incurred by him. 1. In the ordinary and proper conduct of the business, and 2. In doing such act in emergency for the purpose of protecting the firm from loss, as would be done by a person of ordinary prudence in his own case under similar circumstances, and a partner shall indemnify the firm for any loss caused to it by his willful neglect in the conduct of the business of the firm. Property of the firm. Subject to any agreement between the partners, the property of the firm includes all property and rights and interest in property originally brought into the firm or acquired by purchase or otherwise in the course of a business of the firm, and includes also the goodwill of the business. Unless the contrary intention appears, property and rights and interest in property acquired with money belonging to the firm are deemed to have been acquired for the firm. The property of the firm shall be held and used by the partners exclusively for the purpose of the business. Personal profits earned by partners. If a partner derives any profit for him from any transaction of the firm or from the use of the property of business connected of the firm or the firm name, he shall account for that profit and pay it to the firm. If a partner carries on any business of the same nature as and competing with that of the firm, he shall account for and pay to the firm all profits made by him in that business. In the next lecture, we will discuss about partnership deed, partnership agreement, implied authority of partners, extension or restriction of partners' implied authority.